In my last video on this set, I commented about the size of this, where it's 27 centimeters by 25.5 centimeters. And going off that dimensions, it should be 32 wide, 32 studs wide by 34 studs deep. But I had a comment on there saying that someone had built this already, and it was actually a 32 wide by 32 deep. So let's get the instructions out and start flipping through and see if we can figure out how wide this base is, so I know how big to make my MILS plate. Let's get this cut open. All right. Book A, book B. Got two books. Now here's a 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 16 by 16 plates in there. So maybe that's what it's going to sit on, is 4 of those 16 by 16 plates. Oh, a little story in the front of the book. All right. So it looks like we're going to start off by building this helicopter right here. Let's get past that and get to the building. Okay, so we start with 2 16 by 16s. We're going to build that part of the floor of the base. Get through here. 2 more of the 16 by 16s. And it looks like this is going to be a 32 by 32. So that's what I'm going to build my MILS plate as, is a 32 by 32. So what I have 2 of these 16 by 32 base plates. So that's what I'm going to use to build my MILS on. Let's get started. Well, the 32 by 32 MILS is completed. Well, in the last video I mentioned maybe if I had to do a bigger plate, maybe I would put a fountain or some courtyard or something in front. I'm kind of starting to like that idea. I have to see when this is all done. Maybe I'll make a grand entrance for the front of this Oscorp. It feels like it's missing something here because it's got such a short distance between the building and the front of the plate. Unfortunately,